Hello viewers. If you have a business on Instagram or you are influencers and want to automate your comments reply, and also you can send them DMs automatically. So you are on a right video. I'm going to show you how you can automate your complete Instagram business. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can using GoHighLevel, you can automate your complete business on Instagram with DMs, with comments reply, with like their comments. So let's dive into video and I will guide you step by step. So right now I am logging in my GoHighLevel and I will make automations. Yeah, I'm logging in my GoHighLevel and I'm going to make complete automations with the Instagram. So first of all, you need to integrate your Instagram account with the GoHighLevel. If you don't know about the GoHighLevel is a CRM. You can join with you can buy with my affiliate link. My affiliate link in the description box. If you can buy with my affiliate link, I will completely configure for your business, and also I can help you to automate your business as well. So here we can go to integrations. You need to integrate your yes. Here we can go to integration. You can integrate your Instagram here. So after that, what we need to do, we need to just make simple automations. So here we are right now, and here we can create new workflow. Create a workflow we can select from the scratch. Let me make my video a bit smaller. Got it. And paste on our left. We need to select trigger. So trigger is Instagram. I need to move this as well. Instagram post commit. Just select this trigger. They are asking to select your page. Right now I connect this page of Instagram. I will just select this one. They are saying that what is your post type. So obviously we are going to commit on a publish post, and this is a post we need to select for commit when someone commit on the post. For example, we can say that this is a post. I just select this post, and here you can got the post link as well. You can check is it exact post or not. Then after that I can select the trigger, and after that so I can say that reply to the commit. I just select the action reply to the commit, and I just write the reply. For example, I say thanks for showing your interest, please check your DM. So it will be someone commit on your Instagram post, it will be automatically post this reply, and also we are seeing that like their commit as well. This is the first step, and in the second step we will create DM. We will say that Instagram DM action, and here we are going to select our message as well. So right now I have just copy the message. I will paste here. We can say that hello, are you looking for buying property, because it's a buying property page, so that's why I just make a template for it. So what we need to do, we need to just save it. So that's it, we are done. So let's try. I just make it publish here and publish this workflow, and I will put the name as well, and we can say Insta automations. Here I can just save it again. Okay, let's try the post. Where is the post? No, this one. Yeah, this is a post, and I'm going to commit on it. Right now I don't have login this account. I am this task I am going from mobile. So I just open the same post in my mobile. So I'm going to commit on it, and for example I say no, I just post the emoji. Say awesome. I just commit the awesome, and let's see. Yeah, comment is done. No inbox yet, no reply yet. Waiting. Yeah, I just got reply on my comment and got DM as well. You see, I just got the DM. It's the same page, and just got the DM, and also comment reply as well automatically. So it's working right now. Thank you so much for watching video. If you need any GoHighLevel services, Here is my website, says Leads Flex. You can book free appointment consultation, 30 minutes consultation here. And it's a free of cost, and we will discuss about your problem and your issues as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in our next solution.